I am glad to welcome you to the GB Cars Problems channel. Today, we are diving into the Vauxhall Astra H, produced from 2004 to 2009, a staple on British roads known for its practicality and affordability. This hatchback, also badged as an Opel in other markets, became a go-to choice for families and commuters across the United Kingdom, with its range of petrol and diesel engines offering something for everyone. However, like many cars of its era, it has its share of common faults that owners should watch out for, and we will start with the most frequent ones. One of the most notorious issues with the Astra H is the failure of the CIM module, which stands for Column Integrated Module. This component controls essential functions like the indicators, horn, and even the steering lock, and when it fails, drivers often find themselves unable to start the car or dealing with erratic electrical behavior. Repairs can cost around £300 to £500 at a specialist garage, making it a headache for budget-conscious owners. Radiator leaks are another widespread problem, particularly in models with the 1.6 or 1.8 petrol engines. Over time, the plastic end tanks on the radiator can crack, leading to coolant loss and potential overheating if not caught early. A replacement radiator might set you back about £150 plus labor, but ignoring it could result in costly engine damage. Beyond these, timing chain failures plague certain diesel variants, especially the 1.9 CDTI engine. The chain can stretch or snap without warning after around 100,000 kilometers, causing severe internal damage that often requires a full engine rebuild. Owners report this happening more frequently in cars that have not had regular oil changes, emphasizing the importance of maintenance. Electrical gremlins are common too, with faulty alternators leading to battery drain and dashboard warning lights. In the Astra H, the alternator pulley can seize, and replacement costs hover around £200. This issue tends to appear after 80,000 kilometers, often leaving drivers stranded on motorways. Suspension woes affect the front end, where worn bushings and shock absorbers lead to a bumpy ride and knocking noises over potholes. The McPherson strut setup is durable but not immune to the rough British roads, and a full suspension refresh might cost £400. Many owners praise the handling when everything is in order though. EGR valve problems are rife in diesel models, causing reduced power and black smoke from the exhaust. The valve clogs with carbon buildup, especially in urban driving, and cleaning or replacing it can run to £180. This fault often triggers the engine management light, a common sight in MOT tests. Gearbox issues crop up in manual transmissions, with synchro wear leading to crunchy shifts, particularly in second gear. The 5-speed boxes in petrol versions are generally reliable, but higher mileage examples might need a rebuild costing up to £600. Automatic variants, while rarer, suffer from solenoid failures that affect smooth shifting. Brake problems include seized calipers on the rear, a result of corrosion from wet UK weather. This can cause uneven braking and premature pad wear, with a pair of new calipers setting you back £250. Regular inspections during services can prevent this from escalating. Air conditioning failures are frequent, often due to compressor clutch issues or refrigerant leaks. In summer, owners complain of weak cooling, and regassing plus repairs can cost £100 or more. It's a minor annoyance compared to engine faults, but it diminishes comfort on long drives. Fuel pump failures hit the 1.7 diesel engines hard, leading to starting difficulties and power loss. The high-pressure pump can fail around 120,000 kilometers, with replacements costing £400. This is more common in cars used for short trips, where the system does not heat up properly. Bodywork corrosion is an issue on older models, especially around the wheel arches and sills. The Astra H's steel is prone to rust in salty winter conditions, and patching it up might require £200 in body shop work. A thorough underbody inspection is wise before purchase. Interior trim wears quickly, with door handles breaking and seat fabrics fraying after years of use. The cabin plastics feel cheap, leading to rattles on uneven roads, though it's spacious for a family of 4. Upgrading to higher spec models like the SRI can mitigate some quality concerns. On the engine front, turbo failures in diesel versions cause loss of boost and excessive smoke. The turbocharger can seize from oil starvation, costing £500 to replace. Proper servicing intervals are key to avoiding this. Despite these faults, the Astra H has plenty of positives that keep it popular in the used car market. Its fuel efficiency is impressive, with the 1.3 CDTI diesel achieving around 5 liters per 100 kilometers on motorways, making it economical for long commutes. The ride is comfortable for a compact car, and handling is sharp, especially in sportier trims. Space is a strong suit, offering ample boot room at 350 liters and rear legroom that rivals larger saloons. Reliability improves with petrol engines like the 1.4, which are less prone to major failures and suit city driving well. Prices start from as low as £1,000 for a high-mileage example, up to £3,000 for a well-maintained one. The Astra H is easy to work on, with parts readily available from UK suppliers like Euro Car Parts, keeping running costs down. Its safety features, including multiple airbags and ABS, earned it a 4-star Euro NCAP rating, providing peace of mind for families. Many owners love the straightforward design and how it blends into everyday life without fuss. Build quality in higher trims feels solid, and the optional extras like cruise control add convenience for highway cruising. Resale value holds up decently if the car is kept in good nick, appealing to first-time buyers. Overall, it's a no-nonsense vehicle that excels in practicality. In conclusion, the Vauxhall Astra H from 2004 to 2009 suits budget-conscious drivers who prioritize affordability and space over luxury, such as young families or commuters in the United Kingdom. It is ideal for those willing to invest in regular maintenance to avoid the common pitfalls like CIM failures and radiator leaks, but less so for anyone seeking trouble-free ownership without mechanical know-how. If you can snag a low-mileage petrol version for under £2,000, it could be a reliable daily driver. And if you own this automotive masterpiece, please describe the problems you encountered while driving it. Perhaps your review will help viewers when choosing a car. That's all I have for now. Thank you all very much for your attention. I'd be very grateful if you subscribe to the channel. See you soon.